What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jalen back with another unboxing video. And I'm going to go ahead and get y'all started. The reason why Shawn Michaels is up here is because if you see the magazine right here, this is the WrestleMania and everything, the stand, the action figure. And I'm going to go ahead and show. This is Kane. The reason why the head doesn't have color is what makes it more rare. Prototype, you know. We gotta fix Stone Cold Steve Austin. His arm was all messed up. My manager put it back together for me.
Yes, sir. Love you, Jalen.
You too. Happy late birthday, man. We got old school Andre the Giant, and he was in draws. We got an elite golden Stone Cold. I could take the vest off and probably put that on one of our figures. Or probably just leave it on him. We have a Rock. Looks like a Jumanji. My dad likes that movie. We got a Shawn Michaels, the one, the elite that comes with the bell and everything. Huh?
Ruthless aggression.
Ruthless aggression, I think. We got now it's playing around. I forgot his name. What's his name?
Bobby Lashley.
Bobby Lashley.
Rare, hard to find.
Rare, hard to find.
ECW.
ECW, you hear him? We got another Shawn Michaels head swap, ultimate head, earrings. Tell me that don't look dope. Alright, 2 minutes in. We got a custom basic Kane. Looks clean, black jeans and everything. This isn't new. We got a Big Show elite, all black. And we got a basic Jax Stone Cold. See what it says at the back. I'm definitely taking the vest off of this one. I'm putting it on an elite. Probably gonna be my custom Stone Cold. Again, another NWO prototype, Lex Luger, more rare. Custom Rock. I think he did this. And this X-Pac came in today. Another Stunning Steve. I'm a Stone Cold collector, as you can see from all the Stone Colds that came in today. Another basic Stone Cold, see what I'm talking about? And then I bet you the last one's gonna be Stone Cold. And then these belts came in. Oh shoot, hold on. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Where's he at? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all see that golden thing in his hand?
Boss.
Yeah.
Fresh off in.
I already showed him this one. It looks dope, huh?
The Too Sweet hand. Peep it. Yeah.
Alright, y'all. That's all that came in today. Wait. A note. It says, happy birthday, Hefe. Enjoy Stone Cold and the extra belts. Much love, buddy. Maxwell's Wrestling Figs.
Much love, brothers. Check us out on Instagram. Jalen's _toy box, Heartbreak Hefe 420. Follow us on Whatnot. Subscribe to our YouTube. God bless. Loves all. Till next time. Peace.